Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Then we're going to use some stuff called deckcorrect. It's pretty expensive stuff. We're going to see if it's worth the money. Covers 75 square feet per gallon, which is not very much, but it's supposed to fill in cracks and things like that. So if you'll ride along with us, we'll see what deckcorrect actually can do. And we're going to start on handrails and work our way down. This Cabot deckcorrect tinted whatever color you want. It's supposed to fill in a lot of the small cracks, obviously not the big ones. So we're going to see, this is a 2-coat application, not one. So we're going to see how it does. I'm starting with the top and working my way down. And it's a little thicker than the average paint, obviously, if it only goes 75 square feet. But I think most of your walls paint does about 250 to 300. This does 75. It says. I kind of put it on thick and pull off anything that might run. And the goal is to fill in, make an old deck look brighter. And we'll take you through it. This is the deckcorrect look. It's got 2 coats on it. We went from the handrails down. Roller doesn't seem to do as well as far as getting down in the big cracks, so we went over a lot of it with a brush. And you got to keep an eye on your brush because the brush will end up clogging up pretty quick. You got to keep cleaning the brush. And if you zoom in on that, you end up with a sandy finish, which is less of a chance of slipping. So we'll end up with that. If you're looking for a slip look, it's not going to have it. It's going to have a slightly dull look. And it does a good job. It sticks and it holds on as a coat, not necessarily something that would break down. I'll let you know as time passes if I don't like it because of the wear and tear, because I'll be around this house pretty often. So my suggestion is, if you can afford it, deckcorrect's pretty good stuff. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.